actually English. That's why I do this in English, because it's easy for me. And my Dutch is, these ladies will tell you that it's not very good. But I have been here a very long time, and it should be better, but it isn't, so there we go. Now, we make very famous cheese here in Holland. Most of you have been here already trying our cheese. It's a delicious cheese. It's called Gouda. You know this. Gouda, Gouda.
Gouda, yes.
You've heard this? It's a world famous cheese. In fact, if you Google it, I Googled it. It's in the top 10 of world cheeses. In the top 10. Very special. Jullie zijn in Gouda geweest? Gouda?
Nee,
ja.
zijn we niet. Ja, wel. Vroeger wel. Ja,
Ja,
wel. Ja.
Gouda ben ik geweest, ja.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
De goudse kaas is kroon van Nederland.
Absolutely.
Gouda, ja, ben ik
Ja,
We
Gouda.
have
Het is op het pleintje.
Gouda, Gouda.
Maar alle
In
maken kan ze het
Holland we
ook
say
over hebben.
Gouda. Gouda. Easy for them. Gouda. That's how we say it. Gouda is also not only the most famous, it's one of the oldest cheeses in the world, still being made today. And we know this because in the olden days they didn't write it down really very much. But in the marketplace in the city of Gouda, you could buy cheese